Welcome to another episode of Proto Talk. Today we're diving into the bustling city of Fort Worth, Texas, and how it's leveraging information technology, or IT, to supercharge its top industries. Fort Worth is not just a city known for its cowboy culture. It's a hub of economic activity with a diverse range of industries. From aerospace to healthcare, manufacturing to energy, and even logistics, Fort Worth is a city on the move. Now let's get into the meat of the topic. What's fascinating is how IT is becoming the backbone of these industries. Mark Wendorf, VP of Sales and Client Success, puts it succinctly. In today's competitive business environment, leveraging IT is not just an option, it's a necessity for success. First up, the aerospace and aviation industry. Companies like Lockheed Martin are using IT to optimize flight operations and automate manufacturing processes. Data analytics is helping airlines optimize routes and even reduce fuel consumption. Next, we have the healthcare and life sciences sector. IT is revolutionizing this industry by enabling electronic health records and telemedicine. The University of North Texas Health Science Center at Fort Worth even hosts the world's first physical health accelerator program. In manufacturing, IT is automating production processes and optimizing supply chains, making companies more efficient and reducing costs. The energy sector is using data analytics and IoT devices for real-time monitoring and decision-making. Last but not least, the transportation and logistics industry is using IT to optimize routes and track shipments in real time. This is crucial given Fort Worth's strategic location and access to various modes of transport. So there you have it, folks. IT is not just a support function, it's a critical component for success in Fort Worth's top industries. Thank you for tuning into Proto Talk. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into how technology is shaping our world. Until next time, stay tech savvy.